In this lesson, we will improve our login implementation by adding proper error handling and loading indicators. This transforms our app from a basic demo into a production-ready application. Our current login works, but it lacks proper user feedback and error handling. In real-world applications, these improvements are essential. We add an activity indicator to show a loading spinner when the login process is running. This improves user experience by indicating that the system is processing. Before calling the API, we enable the loading indicator to show that the system is working. Once the API response is received, we hide the loading indicator to return the UI to normal state. We wrap the API call inside a try-catch block to prevent the application from crashing if something unexpected happens. To prevent multiple login requests, we temporarily disable the login button while the API call is in progress. This improved structure ensures the app handles errors gracefully, prevents duplicate login attempts, and provides proper user feedback. In production applications, you must assume that internet connectivity may fail. Proper error handling separates professional apps from beginner demos. This lesson gives you the ability to build stable production level login systems that users can trust. To fully understand this lesson, try disconnecting your internet and testing the login flow. Observe how your application now handles failure gracefully. In this lesson, we transformed our login system into a production-ready feature with proper user feedback and error handling.